Okay, Lizzie, after I brush your hair, I'm gonna read you a story, and then it's nap time, okay? All right.
Uh, Hi, Malachi.
Oh, hi, Cass. I like your doll.
Oh, thanks. Her name's Sylvia.
Oh, hi, Sylvia. My doll's name is Lizzie. Hi, Lizzie.
Uh,
There she goes.
Malachi?
Hmm.
Why do you have a doll?
Oh, just to take care of and to love.
But, Malachi? You're a boy. And boys don't play with dolls.
They don't?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Hola, amigos!
Hi, kids. I brought these toys from the community center because I thought we could play outside today.
Oh, okay. Hi, Mr. Dennis. Hi, Rosita. Hi.
Hi.
Malachi? What's wrong? You look sad.
I don't really want to talk about it.
Oh, Malachi. When I don't want to talk about my feelings, I take slow belly breaths. And that helps. Like this. And then I start to feel better.
Yeah. Why don't you give it a try, Malachi?
We can do it together. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. One more time.
Okay.
So, how do you feel? Do you want to talk about it now, Malachi?
Okay, yes. I'm sad because Cassie told me that I can't play with my doll because I'm a boy.
Well, I just said dolls are for girls.
Well, why do you think dolls are only for girls?
Well, I only see girls taking care of dolls and playing mommy.
But I love to take care of my doll too. Taking care of Lizzie is important to me, and, well, it hurts my feelings when you say that I can't play with my doll, Cassie.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. It's just that I only see other boys play with cars and trucks.
Cassie, all toys are for everyone. When I was a kid, I also used to play with dolls. I would read to them and brush their hair.
Well, that's what I do with my doll.
I do the same things. I dress her and I read her stories, and sometimes I tuck her into bed at night too.
Aw. What do you say we all play with our dolls now?
Oh,
I like that.
You like that little dolly? See, it's a little car for you.
You like that?
That's right.
I love
You can
that.
go, you can go to the mountains, go to the beach.
There you go.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
It's
Zoom, zoom,
nice.
zoom.